is a gorgeous game. It is a great way to introduce kids to ecosystems and understanding how the planet works as a whole, and it's very tactile. Let me show you this beautiful game that both of my elementary kids love to play. Now, how this beautiful game works is each person gets their own starting globe. And then in each turn, they get an opportunity to add pieces to their globe. And the pieces are these little magnetic pieces. And each turn, you will have a different priority, whether you're first to pick the piece or last. It goes around in a circle. But you will add your pieces onto your globe, trying to build sections of ocean and forest and desert and ice. And over time, you will start building quite a globe. Now, each turn after you build some pieces on, you can try to win the animals available for that turn. So for instance, if this tiger was one of the options, you would need forest that touches desert. So I have forest that touches desert. Now, if other people also have forest that touches desert, it's whoever has the largest forest. So I would have 3, and as long as I had the largest one, I would get this. And by largest, it has to be contingent. They have to connect to each other. Now, this forest won't count because it's not connected to this forest. That is how you build different land masses. This owl, for instance, needs forest, but it cannot touch water. So my planet is not good for this owl because all of my forest touches the ocean. So someone else would win this. And if no one can win the card, it just stays out to next turn to see if someone can win it the next turn, and so on. And you just keep going, trying to collect as many animals as possible as you build out your world. Now at the end, you will have a full world and you will have collected a pile of cards, and you also, each person will have a special card that they will have been going for, which is trying to get the most ice pieces or desert pieces, etc. And then it's a matter of scoring how many animals you got, how many animals match your ecosystem that you were going for, and then how many pieces of that ecosystem you ended up having on your board. And in the end, it is a points game. So there's some math introduction, there's an understanding of climate, there's thinking about animals and what their needs are and what they want in their lives. And it's just really fun to play. It's really dynamic. Having your little world grow as you build it each turn is really a fun experience. And I definitely recommend this lovely game. And that is Planet.